Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about the factors of choice of distribution channels, depending on which the marketer will decide which distribution channel to choose. There are a number of factors, but I'll discuss the four main factors, which is product considerations, market considerations, company considerations, and middleman considerations. In product considerations, there are four general factors like product perishability, product unit value of the product, size and weight of the product, and standardization of the product. That means if the unit value of the product is high, then it is most likely to choose zero level distribution channel. Expensive cars, expensive watch, or ornaments, expensive ornaments, jewelries. These company they like to sell them through their retail outlets. They don't go for any middlemen. In case of product perishability means the products like food, flour, vegetables, fruits, they are perishable products. That means the quality of the product will decline very soon. I mean, so in this kind of in case of this type of products, it is very likely to select zero level distribution channel so that the product can be reached very fast from the manufacturer to the consumer. Size, weight, and bulk. If the company is not capable to handle bulky or weighty products, then they will choose for middlemen. Otherwise, generally, for the bulky products or for the heavy products, company they go for direct channels if they are capable to handle those type of products, then they go for direct channels. And standardization. The standardized products are likely to be sold through middlemen. Standardized product means the products which are same for every individual, every customer. But customized products like cars, it will be sold through retail outlets because individual customers they will customize their car according to their tastes. So these are customized products. Standardized products are sold through middlemen, but customized products are likely to be sold through direct channel. Next, market consideration. In market consideration, the size of the market is a very important factor. If the size of the market is too big, then it is likely to go for, or it is good to go for distribution channels, 2 level or 3 level. If the size of the market is small, then direct channel. Otherwise, 2 or 3 level channels. If if the number and location of buyer is far from the manufacturing hub, then it is likely to sold through uh, the middlemen, distributors, wholesalers, retailers, through the middlemen. But if the location is near, then the company can sell through direct channels. Size and frequency of order. If the size and frequency of order is too often, then it is likely to go through the middleman. I mean, the everyday grocery items we buy, the essential items in our in our household, they are sold through different middlemen because we frequently buy them. But less frequent, in case of less frequent buyings, the company can afford to sell through zero level distribution channel. Then there are company considerations. Company consideration means market standing, financial resource, management, volume of production. If management thinks that they will go through different distribution levels or distribution channels, they will go through that. If the management think that no, they will go through direct channel, they will go through direct channel. So it is up to the management. If the financial resource is strong, I mean if the company have huge number of financial resource, or if they're financially healthy, strong, then they can afford to have different middlemen, because the more middlemen you have, the more you have to pay to them, or the more less profit you will earn, because the profit percentage will shared in middlemen, shared by middlemen. Then market standing, if the company is in a very good if its position is very good in the market, then also they can go through different distribution channels. Middleman considerations: availability of the middleman, attitude of the middleman, service of the middleman, cost to having middlemen, and sales potentials. These are the factors in these are the factors in middleman considerations. Need to consider these factors. Need to consider availability of the middlemen. If huge number of middlemen are available, if there are lots of buyers, if number of middlemen options of middlemen is also available, then the company will go for middlemen. If the attitude of the middleman is good, service of the middleman is good, cost is less, then, and sales potential is big. If company thinks that, if company see that through middlemen they can sell more or they can earn more, then they will have middlemen. Otherwise they will sell in direct channels. If the size of company is big, then also they can go for middlemen. So depending on these factors, the company can choose any of the four uh, distribution channels. So follow this video. I'll share another PPT, and I'll share another PDF and the PPT with you. Go through all of them, and thank you.